Let's do question number 27. This is also another percentage based question, and it's not a difficult question, or it's actually an easy question to solve. It will take hardly 1 minute to solve it. So let's analyze it. A number is mistakenly divided by 4 instead of multiplying by 4. So what is the percentage change in the result due to the mistake? So they're asking you to calculate the percentage change. So the first approach is, some of you might think, okay, we'll start by assuming a variable. Let's say number be x. So that's also, you could do it, but instead of that, a much better approach is going to be you plug in a value for that number, because it's easy for your calculations. For that reason, what I'm going to choose is the method I'm going to use here to solve is I'm going to plug in a value for that number. Okay. And it could be any number. It can be 100 or it could be any number that will make your calculations easy. That's it. So you should choose a number. Just the main idea of the picking the right number is make your calculations more comfortable. That's it. So you should not pick on any number that will make your calculations complicated. That's something that you need to keep in mind. And it is not always necessary that it's a percentage question. You need to start with 100. There is no such rule. Whichever number you feel more comfortable, you can start with that. Okay. So a number is mistakenly divided by 4. So you need to divide that number by 4. So what I'm going to do is a right number to pick in this case is a number that is a multiple of 4. So any number you could pick, which is a multiple of 4 here. Okay. So to make it simple, I'm going to start with 4. So let the number be 4. I'm going to pick the number be 4. And you have mistakenly divided this number by 4. So the mistake value, or the mistake you did, the value you got by mistake is going to be you divide 4 by 4 and you're getting 1 as a result. And the correct value, or the actual value, or the correct value is going to be, you need to multiply this number by 4. So 16, 4 times 4, 16 is the correct value. And the error or the mistake is just my value got is 1. And I need to calculate the percentage change. So percentage change is nothing but, how do you calculate value change? What is the value change here? Upon your comparing with the correct value. This is the base value. The correct value is your base value. Then you multiply by 100. That's how we calculate the percentage change in terms of mistakes in this scenarios. So what's the value change here? And what is the correct value, which is your base value here, multiply by 100. So the percentage or the value change is nothing but the mistake. By mistake, the value is 1. Actual value is 16. So the difference is nothing but 15. And we're comparing with the actual value, which is 16. And percentage change can be increase or decrease. Here is actually a decrease in the values, right? And multiply by 100. This will give it answer. And again, see, some of you have a tendency to actually do this calculation and find out the answer. You don't need to do it. Try to understand, apply the concept of percentages. So you need to find 15 is what percentage of 60, right? 15 is what percent of 60. So if it was 16, it is 100%, right? So 15 is very close to 100%. So I could clearly approximate it as your answer is going to be somewhere close to 90 to 100. Your answer has to be, because 15 is very close to 16. So percentage wise, this has to be the correct answer. So you can check the options. You can eliminate all of the options. See, 25, only option in this range is option D. This is the right answer. Or you can use you can eliminate the options as well. See, option A means 25%. What do you mean by that? 25%. When is going to be your answer 25%? Try to understand that. Okay. Try to play around with these numbers. So 25% of 16 is very simple, 1/4. If it was 4 upon 16, you're multiplying by 100, then this is going to be 25%. Should have a clear idea about that. So here is 15. So 25 doesn't work. 50% means half. Half of 16 is what? 8. That is not going to be your answer. 72.75. We can approximate, let's say the base value, you can take it as 75, which is easy to calculate. Right? So 75 means what? 3/4. 3/4 of 16 is 12. Again, 15 is greater than 12. We can eliminate option C. This is also another approach you could use. So try to practice these kind of elimination strategies, approximating the percentage answers. That would help you out to save a lot of time.